one fact that remains, if you think about it, if you want to be successful while you building your business, building your brand, working, whatever you're doing, in order to make that secondary income, that passive income, you need something to sell. You need something to sell either of yours or something that you can sell of someone else's, flipping it online, um, Amazon, Marketplace, Craigslist, whatever. You know what I mean? Whatever you can flip it on, because believe it or not, you might complain, oh, that's just a little money, but that bill is still due. $50 you just made, that was a phone bill. So think about it. Don't limit yourself, because I'm a welder, but I'm a hustler. That should be on the top. Welding hustler. Like, that's what I am. Like, I'm gonna figure out a way to go get it. You know what I mean? If I got to weld it, if I got to fabricate it, if I got to make something to sell it, if I'm utilizing my time, if I'm building a brand, whatever it is. But that's how you're gonna be successful today. There's no other way around it. Think about it.